So you use Pomelli to design your brand identity or your brand DNA. How do you download this once you're ready? So all you have to do is to open up whichever brand designs that you have. So here are the different campaigns that it's going to generate for you, and you can just open up whatever it is that you want. So I'm going to choose this one as an example, and if I would like to download my brand DNA, just click the three dots on the upper right hand side, and here you'll find download business data. So here you can just simply click and download the business data, then click and generate download, and it's going to go ahead and download this for you. So all of your data for your brand that Pomelli has come up with, and here you can download it as a business JSON, or you can download it as a zip file that you can actually view on your PC. I'm going to download it as a zip file here, then open up the folder here on my computer. I'm going to quickly unzip that on my second screen, and then just show you what is inside that folder. So let me just unzip this, and once that has finished unzipped, you can see here that it unzipped the folder. You're gonna find all of those designs that are there. So that's it, guys. So that's how you can easily go ahead and download your business data or your brand designs all in one in Pomelli. So if you're looking for how to download your business data or your brand designs or all of your campaign designs, that's how you can easily go ahead and download this in Pomelli.